Hello everyone, today I want to show you and try with you Onirix platform. So I want to dive in and explore this platform, how they build, what we can create and how we can publish our web augmented reality experience. I'm Antonio Furioso, founder of Eyedex, and I help e-commerce to implement augmented reality in their businesses. So now let's start and let's dive in. As you can see, I'm in a Onirix homepage, and we can create different platforms like image targeting, basic augmented reality experiences, more advanced because like we can add some buttons and some interaction during the web augmented reality experiences, so a little bit more advanced. Then we have other, of course, example here, but like let's see and let's try ourselves. So here I already did the sign up, and as you can see here we have the home page where we have tutorials and how you can build certain experiences and so on. We have here our projects, and in a moment we will see this. Then our asset library, where we have all our assets. These are, I think, are default assets with different, buttons, shapes, says, location markers. The data store that I cannot access because I need to upgrade the plan because now I'm in a 15 days trial. And then the experience library, where I think there are, different projects that we can duplicate, for example. So yes, add to studio. So let's go back here. Let's close this tab. Just this one. And let's create our first project. So for example, we can create project so with multiple scene or just the scene. So I want to see the full experience and let's see the project. So here we have project, I will call video project, okay. Oh, and then we can choose between image and surface. So image, we should upload also our image target. Surface instead, no. So I will choose surface because I want, to create a web augmented reality experience and I don't have an image right now. So let's create our scene 1, create project, and the scene. So as we can see, we are in the builder, and we have different options. So for example, we can create new scene here. We have the option of the light, so we can adjust the light. Or here we have other settings like scene orientation, horizontal and vertical. So I think like yeah, if you want to place something on the wall, or if you want to place something on the floor. So in this case, we want to place something on the ground and we'll select horizontal. Then we have some environmental map, ambient light, and then our events that we can add to the scene. And then here, let's see the settings. So we can, okay, create an augmented reality experience with geotag. That is very good. For tracking, rotation tracking, image tracking, word tracking, because yes, we can combine the tracking. That's very cool. And then allow transformation. So I think we can allow people to resize the object or not. Keep scene on lost. So okay, if the camera don't have a detection, it still will continue the the augmented reality experience. The shadows of the object. Okay, then here we have share button, the code, which is good if we want to create more complex experience, and the QR code to see the project, and I think here to see the 3D viewer. So let's see, and let's start to build a scene. So for example, to import our object, we can just, I think, okay, we cannot import our object directly, so I think we should go to asset library before. Yeah, and we have to do add assets. Yeah, and we have to import our object here. So let's import, okay, let's say the name, advanced. Advanced, compression, simplification, texture. Okay, we can do it. And our object is loading here. Actually, I would prefer like if you can upload the object directly in the scene, and then while you're building your scene, the objects are loaded in the asset library. But it's not like that. So I think the case to improve your experience with the platform, you need to like import all your objects if you have them into the asset library, and then you're going to create your project that you have in your mind. I think that would be the best practice. So for now it's still loading, and I think, okay, we have, let's drag it, and we have our object. Good. So what we can do with our object, we have opacity, shadows, receiving shadow, lazy load if we want our object to load after other elements in the scene, then position, transformation, and so these are the properties in 3D. Alerts, okay, this I don't think is important, and then events. So events, what can we do? Let's add some events, for example, and we have events on click, on enter, and on exit. So for example, on click, we can like launch out or call an API, okay, show something visible, I enable all, this is very generic. I don't know because there is no action here. And so play an animation, pause something, set a variant, which is good. For now, maybe we can add something, for example, click on the or, click on a button, and so we should import, for example, okay, buttons here, and we have 2D buttons, animated buttons, stop, play. Okay, different object that different also images. So if you have something like a button, just you can have to import it, like we imported the 3D model, I think. So I don't have for now, so we can just drag and drop this here. Okay, so this is not centered. I think the object is not centered. So in this case, here, and the button here. Okay, and then add events on the button. So we have to click URL and put the website, open a new tab, save. So now I think when we will click the button in the experience, we will be directed to the website in this case. We can position the button wherever we want, of course, so in this case here, or maybe up, you know, based on the experience that you want to create. And unfortunately, we cannot see here, I think, the option to, I think yes, we cannot see the hierarchy of the object. So for example, if you would like to add an animation, the animation should already be ready when you have the 3D object. So for example, if you have in Blender, then you have to build the animation in Blender. because I can do play animation, select element. Yeah, actually I don't know which animation he will play, so for now let's select loop, let's save, and let's try. Save. Okay. We cannot save, I don't know why. Okay, so let's try again, cancel, click animation, but because I think there is no animation on this object, that's why it's not playing. Yeah, I think so. So no animation, but let's try to build our experience like this, how it is. So we can view with our phone if we have, but my phone is registering right now. And so let's see play. Okay, the experience is loading. Okay, we can see from desktop and mobile, which is nice. These are reset the scene, so I think just to reset. If we click the button, we are redirect to our website, which is cool. And so that's basically what I would like to add is a view in AR button here. And so let's see if there is an option. So maybe in share. Okay, in share what we have. We can, on iOS, we can select which mode we want. So web browser or Onirix clip, which is best tracking. Custom the loading, then canvas background. Yes, I would like to change it because I don't like the color. Show 3D before AR in mobile version. No, because I want in mobile version user go directly to the AR experience. And then social media preview. Okay, we have different option here, and the embed for the 3D viewer, and canvas background. So this is transparent for now with Force 3D. No, I think it should be directly seen 3D. Hide controls, which I don't know what it is. But here we have add button to view in AR. So I want this. I don't know if it's like we can personalize this code, and let's see for now. Don't use Onirix clip, but okay. I don't know which. Okay, for now let's see like this. Let's play again. Loading the scene, and I don't have an AR button still. So sure, maybe because I have to copy this link. So let's paste here, and let's see, meet with Onirix. Yes, here we are. So view in AR, and we can view our object in AR. It will load the QR code, which is good, and we can scan and place the object, which is good. I just hope, like for example, all these buttons here, you can, you know, maybe edit the text. So for example, instead of viewing AR, because for maybe a basic user don't know what does mean AR, so maybe view in your space, or like you know, change also the color to adapt to the brand's color. Maybe it's possible that when I upgrade the plan. But yes, this is like basically what we can do. I think you can do always more with the platform, because you can add events, so animation, something more complex than this, of course. But this is just for the purpose of trying the platform. And so yes, this is all for the platform. What we can do now maybe is check the price and see what the price are. So here, yes, we have the different prices model here, monthly, semi-annually, annually. And yeah, as you can see, like in a starter plan, 90 euros, we have just 200 views, which is very few, and 5 projects. I think this can be like increased, but okay for now. And yes, but you can, like, if you create augmented reality experience all the years, I think the best and convenient plan is this one, and like doing annually. This is all for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you saw how you can use the platform, and for sure I encourage you to try the platform to build your own experience. And when you build your own experience, pass the link below in the comments, because I'm curious to see your experience. So for this video, it's everything, and hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel, and for sure I will do other videos with Onirix in the future. So let's stay connected, and let's see at the next video.